Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I will show you how to make glycerin at home. Glycerin can be made from three very important materials. These are palm kernel oil, also known as PKO, lye, also known as caustic soda, and sodium chloride, also known as table salt. Before we go into the production proper, let me take you through some health benefits of glycerin. Vegetable glycerin, as it is called, is used in food, cosmetic and pharmaceutical industries. For example, glycerin is often added to food to help oil and water-based ingredient mixed properly. Glycerin can also be used for sweetening of food product. It can also be used to prevent ice crystals from forming in frozen foods such as low-fat frozen yogurt, ice cream and other desserts. Glycerin is a common ingredient in pharmaceutical drugs including heart medication, drug remedies and anesthetic. Glycerin is also used in toothpaste as it helps to prevent the toothpaste from drying out or hardening in the tube. Glycerin is commonly added to soap, candles, lotion, deodorant and makeups. Now let's briefly examine the health benefit of glycerin to the skin. Moisturize the skin. Vegetable glycerin is a popular skin care treatment because of its moisturizing power. It makes the skin smooth and supple. Research shows that applying glycerin to your skin gradually improves its smoothness and softness. In fact, using creams containing glycerin may increase skin hydration for about 10 days. Adding glycerin to warm water bath is even more effective and improves skin moisture level and protects against skin irritation. Using vegetable glycerin leads to better skin health by helping soothe skin irritation, protect against infection and promote wounds healing. Glycerin may also act as a barrier to safeguard your skin from elements including wounds and cold. Now that we have mentioned some of the health benefits of glycerin to the skin, let's go into the production of glycerin at home. But before then, please note that the glycerin produced from the method mentioned here is not food grade and cannot be added to food product. It can only be added to products such as cosmetic, soap and body creams. Make sure you take the following precautions as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 50 ml of glycerin. Palm kernel oil, also known as PKO, 200 ml. Caustic soda, 50 gram. Sodium chloride, a tablespoon. Now before we go into the production process, let me let you know that what we're about to do here is simply called saponification process, and this is a process of soap making. Now glycerin is a byproduct of saponification process. This means that beside the soap that is produced during the saponification process, glycerin is also produced alongside the soap. But you may not be able to get the glycerin because it will be mixed with the soap until you carry out another process called salting out. The salting out process separates the glycerin from the soap. Now let's go into the production of glycerin. Measure 200 ml of palm kernel oil, also known as PKO, and pour it into a stainless steel pan. Please note that in this reaction, you can only use stainless steel pan as your reactor. Do not use aluminum pan. Now heat the oil for about 5 minutes to 51 degrees centigrade or 112 degrees Fahrenheit. As the oil is heating, dissolve 50 grams of caustic soda in 100 ml of water. Now bring the oil down from the fire and add your caustic soda to it. Keep stirring the solution until it starts to thicken up. As soon as it starts to thicken up, add a tablespoon of salt to the solution and stir. Now allow the preparation to cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you take a closer look at the content, you will notice that you have two materials in the pan. The thick milk-colored materials, which is the soap, while the transparent oily liquid buried underneath the soap is the glycerin. And just like I said earlier, glycerin is a byproduct of saponification process, which is a process of soap making. The glycerin was separated from the soap by a process called salting out, and that can be achieved by adding sodium chloride to the content. The quantity of glycerin produced will depend largely on the quantity of palm kernel oil and caustic soda used in the preparation. Of course, the more quantity of palm kernel oil and caustic soda used, the more quantity of glycerin you get. You can now scoop the glycerin and add it to your cosmetic and any other body care product you want. And just like I said earlier, this type of glycerin is not food grade glycerin and cannot be added to food product. In our subsequent videos, we will show you how to prepare food grade glycerin. So thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.